Okay, let's quickly see how to replay messages on Instagram. First open Instagram, then swipe left. Yeah, here you can see and replay all your incoming messages, calls, requests, anything. And just touch like this, and a new follower means just accept and type the message, then tap send. Likewise, you can reply to the incoming messages. If suppose you can't see any of these options, then just go to App Store and update Instagram. Then come again, surely you can find these options. I hope this video helps. Thanks for watching.